here.
Okay, okay. It's Jetty on the track. Fuck with it. Okay, okay. Hater block his zone, stepping out the SUV. Camera lights flashing, Jetty the one they wanna see. On the red carpet, dripping my new CC. Got my red cup and a shot of Hennessy. I could pop out in just a plain white tee. Okay, okay. I'm in the room at Unported. Oh my gosh. This is my bed. I have my pillowcase. We have my pillowcase in there. I have a sleeping pad too. But if I might blow up, I might put on because it's kind of hard. This is my little brief tour of my duffel bag, water bottle, backpack, hygiene, 7-Eleven haul, and some green tea and apples. Show you the bathroom. Shower, toilet, me, virgin, 8:57. I'm about to go to sleep. Good night. Bye for your day one tomorrow. Period. Good night. First day at Unported. Get at me. Period. I'm really here. I'm really here. Okay, now I know I need to charge my camera every night, but this tea is so good. Peachy pine green tea. Y'all, I have to shit. There's no toilet paper in Bangkok. I didn't know that. Like, I did not know that. I have to use this bidet. But the pressure. Oh, this is different than one in my room, but ooh, I don't know, I'm scared. But I have to shit, so I'm gonna do it. There's no seat covers either, so I'm very confused. Don't step on the toilet, but I have to squat. And then, please do not put in the toilet because things are too small. They're drains, but we'll see how this goes. Clearly, I'm not used to being here because I'm sweating bullets. And all I did was shit. Okay, I'm gonna do like a more in-depth update. I just ordered my first meal. I got like some kale, I think it's fried kale or like rice and egg or whatever, spicy, I don't know. But you'll have to find out. We had our first morning workout session, training session. It was like kind of crazy. Fun though, hard. A lot of people told me like go on court. And I was like, what? No. So it's gonna be all right. I had to go on court for like a 30-second like warm-up hitting. Like it was so bad. So bad. Did what I needed to do. But it's okay. I'm gonna come back at 1 o'clock. Better. Trust. Only one of the oldest people here though. 20. Except one person was 21 and no. But I'm like, oh my god, what the? It's like everybody's youth. Like this is where all the juniors go. I got some water. I ran out of water. I was like scared I was gonna pass out. I'm gonna eat. And of course here. He's right there, oh my gosh. No, we'll see, but fine. Thank you. Ooh, we got that. This is what it looks like. So yummy. And that's where I picked it up from right there. That's okay, let me not fan out too much. But this looks good. It looks so good. I'm excited. Honestly, it's the conditions. Like, I could not even feel the bird when I hit it. Like, I couldn't even feel it. Like, it's so weird. And it's so hot. I'll go live right now without a fucking filter. Eating good with Freddie G. Go ahead and get you a bite. Eating good with Freddie G in Thailand. Go ahead and get you a bite. Yes, I'm sweating while eating. I am rejuvenated, back in the room, AC. It's 90 degrees in here, it's giving like 30. Just showered for the second time. Well, sorry Ari, I want to sit on it too, but chill. My little area right here. Morning session was rough, like crazy. So we started off with like squats, and then like box jumps, and it was like 45 inches. Like we step in, and then we jump up, and then we step down again. I felt a few times, but starting off I felt like twice, but I kept trying, I persevered, and I did it. It was so good. I warmed up on court for like 30 seconds. Like it was just, I don't know where I was gonna go get my racket restrung, and then like he was like, JoJo, he was like, go to that side and you're gonna test your skill or something like that. I was like, what? I was like, oh my gosh. So it was like 30, it was like maybe not even 30 seconds. I like missed the bird like twice. It's weird. The conditions are, it's like hot. I couldn't even feel the bird when I like hit it. We'll get better. At 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock? Oh, I'm rejuvenated, I'm going ham. Wearing my other regional shirt. I asked them like what I need to do with my dirty clothes. Oh my gosh, look. What is that? Dun dun dun. Comment down in the comments if you know what that is. I'm going to shout out whoever gets it right. But yeah, I'm about to chill, watch a movie on my iPad, and then I'm going to, yeah, session like 3 hours, so it's lit. But it's like a 3-hour session, so yeah. I don't know how many people are gonna be in the group, but we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you. They would have been like, yeah, we're going there, it's lit. Oh, I forgot. I ran out of water during that. I thought I was gonna pass out. Like I ran out of water. I was dying. It was so tough. The weights are so heavy. It's like kilos. It was started with like I think 20 on each side. So that's 40 kilos plus the bar that was already heavy. We did the bar by itself. It was already heavy. Then we added weights, extra heavy. Like I don't know if I could lift that shit, but I just thugged it out and did it. But it was hard, and I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie.
I didn't do every single rep and every single set, but I did what I could do. There was some I did to failure. You know, I'm proud of myself. We did a hip thrust, we did all types of shit. But you know, I did what I did. My foot thistle. What you talking about? Hey, you talking about? Hey, you talking about? Day one. Yeah, let's get it. I don't know who my roommates are, but yeah, they can stay out of here all I care. I don't give a fuck. But I'm about to chill. See you in a little bit.
Please don't forget to support my code and go ahead and like this video and subscribe to Getty TV now. Enjoy the rest of this video.
I need to stretch. A one? Huh? Oh.
One.
Right now? One.
One. Come to the station first.
Oh, I didn't need to stretch. Yeah.
Just massage, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's because like a little sore from earlier. Just a little bit.
Where you from?
California.
Oh, California.
Yeah, USA. Yeah.
What is cup?
San Diego Badminton Club.
Because I have like Thai people
Oh yeah.
there. Some player like move to be like coaching there. California, Finland, I don't know, at Texas.
Cool. What's your name?
Name.
Guy.
Guy. Oh,
Yeah.
like Thai name.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Thank you. I love it here. I'm never leaving. I'm about to go on the other side now and prepare. I'll see you when I see you. You might be wondering why I'm walking back through this hallway. I'm confused at the time. It was indeed not, it was like 11:30, not 12:30. And it was like an hour wait still for my session, so I went back up to the room and just watched TV, Greek Life. Put it online. Now training starts in like 15 minutes. Should I try the tuna and salmon one? Yes. Oh, this is good. I had this on the plane. Bantong Yard Badminton School. Sandwich. Smells good. That's good. Raining.
This bitch a bad. This bitch a fine. This bitch a She all the way loud. Miss